channel. My name is Jessica of Miss More Style. I make videos about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel, but on a budget. And today I'm really excited because I have a subscription box that has gone through a bit of a glow up, and some of you guys might know what I'm talking about, but it is my favorite subscription box, or it was my favorite subscription box, and now it's sort of transformed a little bit. So I'm really excited to see how things have changed. And that, of course, is the Curateur box, which is formerly known as the Rachel Zoe Box of Style. So if you guys ever checked out one of my Rachel Zoe Box of Style videos before, I will link the previous ones that I've done down below, so you can go see what it used to be about if you're interested. But this is sort of like their sort of transformation. This is their first box that is called the Curateur box. So what exactly is the Curateur box? It is a quarterly subscription box that costs $100 a month. Of course, I have some codes in the description box below. If you're new to Curateur and you want to give it a try, you can save a little bit of money by heading down to the description box and checking out what's going on down there. This is basically a box that you get each season, and it comes with 5 items. The box is usually valued at least $200, I think, but it's usually like well over that. Like the last one that I got, I think I remember that box was valued at like $700, which is crazy. And you always get really cool pieces in there because this is curated by none other than the fabulous Rachel Zoe herself. I'm a huge Rachel Zoe fan. I love her style, I love her taste, and for me this box is my favorite subscription box because I feel like it's like quality over quantity. You know what I mean? Like it's a quarterly box, and it also doesn't have like a ton of items in it, but the items that it does have in there I usually find are just so much nicer than, let's say, other quarterly boxes that are a little bit more jam-packed full of stuff that I don't always tend to love everything or use everything in them. So that's all I'm gonna say. You guys are returning. Thank you so much for coming back and checking out another video. And if you're brand new, I hope that you'll stick around for a little bit and watch a couple more videos and consider subscribing, especially if you enjoy affordable fashion, because I upload 2 to 3 times a week, usually a affordable haul or styling video or some fun DIY for you. So hopefully you stick around and join my YouTube fam. I just want to show you really quickly what the Rachel Zoe Box of Style kind of used to look like. It was about this size, a little bit on the smaller side, but check out how big this Curateur box is. One second. It's big. It's really big. Here's the box. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So here is the inside. The inside is quite lovely. Curateur, welcome to a life well curated. And it says that you can join the community by following us on Instagram at Curateur. So let's get into this box and see what we've got. I love that it always comes with a nice little piece of literature to tell you about what is inside. Who caught my recent Ipsy unboxing or unbagging, I'll link that below as well if you're into subscription boxes. But my biggest problem with Ipsy was like there was nothing to help you understand what's in the box, the value of things, all that good stuff. So the Box of Style and now Curateur, they always give you like a nice like magazine style pamphlet, which I love. And look at Rachel, how fab. Like that outfit, do you die, do you die. It gives you a little kind of breakdown here of what is in there, and there was 2 choice items in here. I did not get to choose because this box is being sent to me in PR, so I just basically get what they decide to send me. So hopefully I like the things that they picked. Wish that they would like reach out beforehand and be like, hey, heads up, like which one do you want? But I'm not going to be too upset about it. I'm just grateful to be able to get this in PR. I'm going to go ahead and grab the biggest thing that's in here, and it is a bag. Hi, did I get a box again?
Christmas every day for you.
Okay. Okay, so this gorgeous bag. I love that the Box of Style, you always seem to get a bag in them, and I don't always end up like using the bags that they send because I'm very picky about my handbags. But look at this beautiful tote bag. This is absolutely stunning. It's like this beautiful wine color burgundy oxblood, and on this side it's a little bit more like simple, and it says Rachel Zoe right there. And then if you flip it around, I actually prefer the way that this side looks because it's got this sort of like knotted detailing on the straps on this side. I think I would wear this side facing outward for people to see. But this bag even has a price tag on it, and I believe this must be from Rachel Zoe's own collection, but it retails for $115. So right out of the gate, the first item in the box exceeds the price that you're paying for the box. So that's really cool. We're already at $115 and this is the first item. So let me just go ahead and take out all this stuffing. It's so beautiful and roomy inside. Like, it's just massive. It's got a great little zipper pouch right here if you wanted to maybe put your keys in there or your cell phone so you could find it a little bit easier. But it's so beautiful. This will make a great like laptop bag or like carry-on bag for like a plane if I ever get on a plane ever again. I'm guessing that this is vegan leather because it doesn't really smell like leather, and I would highly doubt that a bag of this size would be $115 if it was leather, but it looks absolutely beautiful. The quality is so beautiful. Like, I would like never know that this was vegan leather, like looking at it, just because it's so stunning. I'm obsessed. And honestly, I feel like this would look really, really good with the dress that I'm wearing today. Oh my God, I love this colorful fall so much. Okay, we have to move on. I have to stop obsessing about this bag. I'm gonna put it down now. Grabbing the next thing out, there's a little pouch right in here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up. It sounds like it's jewelry. Woo! And this is a chain link necklace from the brand Eddie Borgo. And it says, please enjoy this handmade piece of Eddie Borgo jewelry. It also has 15% off coupon on here for like my next order with them. Here is the necklace. It is this beautiful chunky chain necklace, which I'm really obsessed with chain necklaces this fall. You might know chain jewelry, chain link jewelry is very big right now. Wow, this plastic is really on there. I wonder if there's like an easier way to do this. Let me get my scissors. If I can cut it and get it off easier that way. Remember last fall in the Rachel Zoe Box of Style, they gave us a really cool necklace that was also like really kind of expensive, and this one apparently is valued at $350. Now if I can ever get it out of this plastic, they really wanted to make sure that it wasn't going to get hurt, weren't they? Ooh, I have heat stroke in here while I try to do this. It's so hot. Turn on the fan while I try to do this. Jeez Louise.
One eternity later.
I finally freed the necklace from that crazy plastic. So here is the necklace close up. It's got a very nice heavy weight to it. It's got these really chunky chain links going on. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw it on because why not, right? It probably will look really cute with what I'm wearing. It is on. It's really, really beautiful and I love it. I think this is gonna look really cool layered with some of my other gold chain necklaces. We've got a beauty product from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. So in the Box of Style or a Curator, they like to do a mix of lifestyle, fashion, and beauty products. So usually there's like, you know, a good mix of all of that in your 5 items, which I really love. And this is the Anastasia Liquid Glow Highlighter in the color Perla. And I've never tried a liquid highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills before, and all the packaging of all these products is so challenging. Ay, I just ruined the box. Here is that liquid glow. Wow, it looks really pretty. So I'm not going to put it on my face right now, but I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand just to see how it looks. Blend it out for you. Ooh, it's very, very sparkly. I don't know if you can even pick that up because the lighting and everything, but it's pretty subtle, but it's got a beautiful, beautiful sheen to it. This product retails for $25. This is going to give like a really pretty natural, like dewy glow. Next item in here is another beauty product, and this is from Berkey. I think that's how you say it. And it's an advanced anti-aging lift and fill form control marine collagen gel. Consult the pamphlet for this one. So this is a $160 product, and they call it the complexion corrector. So they say, here's why we love it. Now is a good time to consider swapping out your old beauty products with ones that boast of clean ingredients like Berkey. This jam-packed collagen formula is the key to unlocking plump, hydrated skin for a youthful complexion. Stay bye-bye to uneven skin tone and fine lines. They won't be missed. They recommend applying this gel formula all over your face and your décolletage, and you dab what's left on your fingertips to the areas that need a little extra nourishment. Next, layer on your go-to moisturizer and SPF in the AM to lock in hydration and protection. This seems like it's kind of like a serum, I guess, if it goes on before your moisturizer. Here is the packaging of it. It's got a little pump. I'm just gonna pump some out onto my hand and see how it feels. Come on, come on. There we go. So it's just kind of this very like clear kind of gel. I'm sorry, the way that my lights are turned up right now, you can't really see things that are light. But yeah, it does. It's a serum and it feels so nice. Stoked to give this a try because I sort of ran out of my morning serum, so I might try to include this in my skincare routine every day as my morning serum and see how I like it. If you guys are curious to know how I'm going to feel about this later, then make sure that you do go and find me on Instagram, because on my Instagram stories I usually will talk about things like this after I've been using them for a while and give like a little review of them on my Instagram stories. So if you're interested in that or in other products and my opinions on them, then my Instagram is definitely where it's at. You want to go follow me there because that's where I talk more about this kind of stuff. Last thing, so excited. This is glasses, I think, because it says Lispet. It's sunglasses. So here's the little case that it comes with, just like a little cloth case, and you squeeze it like that and it pops open. So grab what I got. This was another choice item, and I'm curious to see what the two choices were and what I got to see if I like it, because they lucked out with getting me the necklace, because I would have preferred the necklace over the earrings that they had, but actually, you know what? I take it back. I think what the choice was to either get the sunglasses or you could get the matching earrings that go with the necklace. I think everybody gets the necklace, but what the choice is whether or not you want the matching earrings or you want the sunglasses. And again, I'm taking back what I said before, but they did pick correctly for me because I would have wanted these sunglasses and not earrings. So these are retailing at $89. Let's go pop these out. I'm like so excited. I love this shape of sunglasses, and I feel like this is different from any pairs that I have, and I've been wanting a pair like this. Very classic, like square type sunglasses with a gold frame. I mean, these seriously would go with anything. They're just the type of sunglasses that you can have for years, and they're probably not going to go out of style because they're not massive, they're not teeny tiny, they're just a good classic shape. That is just great. So I'm so excited. I love sunglasses, and I don't have any sunglasses from Lispet. Very, very excited about these. Well, that concludes my unboxing of the Rachel Zoe box of style. I meant to say the Curator box. Let me know down below if you've ever subscribed to the Rachel Zoe box of style, if you used to and now you don't, or maybe now you want to give it a try. Leave me a comment. Make sure to check the description box because there's going to be some discount codes down there for you. And also, I do have to plug the fact that I'm still doing a huge beauty giveaway with two other YouTube friends of mine. It is a $3,000 beauty giveaway. So if you haven't checked that out, if you haven't entered, then don't miss out. It's for US only, so all my US people, I will put the link to that video down in the description box as well, so you can go watch that one. You can see all the rules and all the awesome products that are in there. It's pretty exciting, so don't miss out. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'm so glad you guys decided to come hang out with me today. I hope you're having an amazing day wherever you are, and we'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.